Hi, I'm David and I'm here to help you answer your question. Now let me bring up your question here. In the question, we're going to discuss about the Poisson distribution. Let me remind you that if we have the x followed by the Poisson with the mean lambda and then the probability x equal to k equal to e power minus lambda power k over k factorial. Now here we are given the x will equal to the number of the collisions, and then it will follow by the Poisson with the mean average number equal to the two collision. This one will be in a week, so it will be per week here. And in the part I,